Hello everyone. In this episode of Daily Chinese, we'll talk about the different ways to use 多少 in Chinese. 多少 means how many, but depending on the different situations, we need to say 多少 in different ways. In the first situation, if 多少 plus a countable noun, then we need to say 多少 plus measure word plus noun. In the second situation, if 多少 plus an uncountable noun, then we can directly say 多少 plus noun. And in the last situation, we can use 多少 to ask numbers in Chinese. For example, the email or mobile phone number. This is actually quite important because in Chinese, we usually don't use a question word what, 什么, to ask about the numbers. And if the answer is likely to have numbers, then we need to use the word 多少 to raise such questions. Great. In the first situation, we can put countable noun after 多少. And we need to note that in this case, we must say a measure word after 多少. For example, we can make sentences like 你想买多少瓶水? How many bottles of water do you want to buy? 你去过多少个国家? 国家 means country, and 过 is a past perfect tense. So this sentence means how many countries have you been to? 这个公司有多少个员工? 员工 means employee. So this sentence means how many staffs does this company have? Great. In the second situation, we can put uncountable noun after 多少. And in this situation, we don't need to say measure word before the noun. For example, we can say 一斤苹果多少钱? Here, 斤 is a unit for measuring weight in Chinese. And 一斤 equals to half a kilogram, which is 500 grams. So this sentence means how much is apple for half a kilo? 空调需要多少电? 空调 means air conditioner. So this sentence means that how much electricity does air conditioner need? In the last situation, we can use 多少 to ask about numbers. For example, mobile phone number, email address, and many others. Please note again that in Chinese, we need to use 多少 instead of 什么 if we would like to raise questions about numbers. So we can say, 你的手机号码是多少? Here, 号码 means numbers. So this sentence means, what is your mobile phone number? 你的邮箱是多少? Here, 邮箱 means email or email inbox. So this sentence means, what is your email address? You can say that although some email address only contain letters, but it is still very likely that the email address also contain numbers. So in this situation, we also use 多少 to ask questions like this. 你的 WhatsApp 号码是多少? Here, 号码 means numbers. So the sentence means, what's your WhatsApp number? Wonderful. In this episode of Daily Chinese, we have discussed about the Chinese words 多少. We have talked about how to say 多少 from 3 different situations. If you have any questions or ideas, or if you would like to learn some particular things in Chinese, please just leave your comments below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and leave lots of likes. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jason. See you in the next video.